Today, you're going to practice ordering food in Spanish. This is one of those moments that can feel really intimidating when you're just starting out.
You're at a restaurant, the waiter comes over. You want to order something simple, but your mind goes blank.
By the end of this episode, you're going to understand how to say what you want to eat or drink. You'll know how to ask for things politely, and you'll feel a lot more confident.
We're going to go slow. We're going to repeat things naturally, and there's no pressure at all.
Just listen, let the phrases sink in, and trust that your brain is already starting to recognize patterns.
Let's begin.
You're going to hear a conversation now. Someone is ordering food at a cafe. Just listen. Don't worry about catching every word. Just get a feel for the rhythm.
Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Qué deseas?
Quiero un café, por favor.
¿Un café solo?
No, un café con leche.
Muy bien. ¿Algo más?
Sí, también quiero un pan.
Perfecto. ¿Un café con leche?
The conversation started with a greeting. Hola, buenos días.
That means, hello, good morning. You'll hear this all the time in cafes and restaurants.
Then I asked, in real life, people don't always use the exact same words. So let's hear a few natural variations.
Instead of ¿qué deseas? You might hear something more casual. ¿Qué quieres?
That also means, what do you want? Just a little less formal.
And you can still answer the same way. Quiero un café, por favor.
Or sometimes
Listen one more time. You'll recognize almost everything now, and this time it'll feel a bit more like a real conversation. Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Qué deseas?
Quiero un café con leche, por favor.
Muy bien. ¿Algo más?
Sí, también quiero un pan.
Perfecto. Un café con leche y un pan.
Gracias.
De nada.
Did you notice? That felt easier, didn't it?
Your brain is recognizing the rhythm now. The phrases are becoming familiar.
That's real progress. Let's listen one more time, and this time, try to say the customer's lines along with me.
Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Qué deseas?
Quiero un café con leche, por favor.
Muy bien. ¿Algo más?
Sí, también quiero un pan.
Perfecto. Un café con leche y un pan.
Gracias.
De nada.
Great work. You're starting to internalize these phrases. They're becoming part of your vocabulary.
Now let's add a few more useful phrases that will help you complete the entire restaurant experience.
Before we finish, let's add just a couple more phrases that are really useful when you're ordering food.
Sometimes you might want to ask for the check. You can say, la cuenta, por favor.
That's the check, please. Super simple and very useful.
Or if you want to ask how much something costs, you can say, cuánto cuesta.
How much does it cost? This is handy if you're looking at a menu or want to know the price before ordering.
And we already heard this one, but it's worth repeating. Eso es todo.
That's all. Use this when you're done ordering and the waiter asks if you want anything else.
Let's hear a slightly longer conversation that includes some of these new phrases. This will tie everything together. Hola, buenos días.
Buenos tardes. ¿Qué deseas?
Quiero un jugo de naranja, por favor.
Muy bien. ¿Algo más?
Sí, también quiero una ensalada.
Perfecto. Un jugo de naranja y una ensalada.
Sí, gracias. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Son 10 euros.
Muy bien, gracias.
De nada.
See, just a few more phrases, and now you can have a complete interaction at a restaurant.
You can order, you can ask for the price, you can say thank you. That's everything you need.
Let's break down those new parts quickly. I said, quiero un jugo de naranja.
That's I want an orange juice. See how you can be specific about what kind of juice or drink you want.
Then I asked, ¿cuánto cuesta?
And the waiter answered, son 10 euros. It's 10 euros.
Now you know how to ask about price and understand the answer.
Let's practice one complete interaction from start to finish. I'll be the waiter, and you can be the customer.
Think about what you want to order. When Amelia pauses, say your order out loud.
Hola, buenos días.
Remember to greet back.
¿Qué deseas?
This is where you order. Use quiero plus what you want.
¿Algo más?
Do you want anything else? You can say sí, también quiero, and add something, or just say no, eso es todo.
Muy bien. And you might ask about the price now.
Remember, that's cuánto cuesta.
Excellent work. You just had a complete conversation in Spanish.
Even if you only said it in your head, that's practice. That's progress.
Let's take a moment and reflect on what you can do now.
You can greet someone at a restaurant with buenos dias or buenas tardes.
You can say what you want using quiero plus the item. This is your most important tool.
You can add por favor to be polite, which makes a great impression.
You understand when someone asks algo más, and you know how to respond.
You can ask cuánto cuesta when you want to know the price.
And you can ask for the check with la cuenta, por favor.
That's a complete interaction from start to finish. You can walk into a cafe or restaurant and order something with confidence.
And here's the thing, you don't need to say everything perfectly. You just need to communicate.
If you say quiero café instead of quiero un café, people will still understand you perfectly fine.
The goal isn't perfection. The goal is communication, and you're already doing that.
Every time you listen to Spanish, your brain gets a little more comfortable with the sounds, the rhythm, the patterns.
So keep going, keep listening, and trust the process.
Think about how much you've learned just in this one episode. You started not knowing how to order anything, and now you have multiple ways to do it.
You know how to respond to different questions. You know how to be polite. You know how to ask for what you need.
And the more you practice these phrases in real situations, the more automatic they become.
Imagine yourself walking into a cafe tomorrow. The waiter greets you, and instead of freezing up, you confidently say, quiero un café, por favor.
That feeling of being understood, of successfully communicating in another language is amazing, and you're building toward that right now.
In the next episode, we're going to practice asking for directions, another really practical conversation for everyday life.
But for now, take a moment and feel proud of what you just did.
You listened to real Spanish conversations. You learned key phrases. You practiced responding. That's real work.
If you want, try ordering something out loud right now. Just say quiero and then something you like. Coffee, water, tea, a sandwich, whatever sounds good.
Think of your favorite drink or food. Now say it in Spanish using what you learned today.
Every bit of listening counts. Every repetition matters. You're building something real here.
We're really proud of you for sticking with this. Learning a language takes courage and patience, and you're showing both.
So keep going. We'll see you in the next episode.
Nos vemos.
Adios.